Market demand. Derivation of market demand curve and addition of two linear demand curves. By adding the individual demands, the market demand can be calculated. For market demand curve, we follow the horizontal summation process, where individual demand curves are added as they are shown horizontally when they are graphically plotted. At different price level, when we can see individuals' demand is zero, then we can add their demands in linear level and find the market demands in the brackets of the prices where they have the common phase. Elasticity of demand and the constantly elastic demand curves. The price elasticity of demand is a proportion and thus has no units. It depicts the fraction of percentile changes in demand being divided by the percentile changes in the price. When we see the percent change in a demand of goods is less than the percent change in price, the goods regarded inelastic in that specific price. When it is equal, the good is said as unitary elastic, and when the demand changes, percentage is greater than the price change percentage, then the good is elastic in that price. The different price elasticity of demands in different points can be shown through a linear demand curve. Sometimes the demand curve can show such situation where elasticity demand stays constant for every time, for which demand curve the price change does not alter the rate of demand. The absolute value of the price elasticity there equals to zero. Thus we can find that the vertical demand curve becomes absolutely inelastic. Geometrically measured elasticity along a linear demand curve. By the properties of similar triangles in geometry, the elasticity of demand curves can be measured and proved. The elasticity is zero at the point where the demand curve meets the horizontal axis of the graph, and it becomes infinity at the point where it meets the vertical axis.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.